Alrighty guys, what's going on today? We're at Universal Studios Hollywood. Woo! Alright, today we're here for another Universal Studios update, Halloween Horror Nights update. Mega Movie Summer is next week. Super excited for that. And we're just gonna go inside and see what's new. I think this is gonna turn into Fast and the Furious, because look at
It's horrible. Oh, I'm so sad.
wow. I think they're look at it's completely blocked off and it's wrapped up. They're gonna move it. It's going away. It has to be.
One-way traffic only, right-hand side for me, my friend.
Alright.
Nachos sound good.
Yeah. We're gonna go to the Studio Tram first. Check up on some Halloween Horror Nights updates. We haven't done one of those in a long time, actually. And then we'll do everything else.
Why does it...
Oh my goodness. I don't know.
I don't think so. It's probably the first one of the day. But that was fun. Before they take it off.
Honestly, like, I am ready for Horror Nights already. They dropped an announcement. It's gonna be Fallout and Five Nights at Freddy's. We don't know if it's gonna be a house, but and that's gonna do a funny video, like she always says.
The Burger King guy. They gotta bring him. The one that's like, can't wait to meet
Oh.
you.
Oh my gosh.
Remove their specific sets and they leave the stage blank and available, so the next production can come in and build whatever they might need in the future. Here in the front,
wait just a minute.
Between the studios.
Where's that?
On our right-hand side, that building is the backside of Superman. This is also a giant rental facility, so anyone is welcome to rent out space. With our 30-plus sound stages, we can have multiple interior scenes all being filmed at the same time. And we number the sound stages so we can keep track of who is filming where. We do avoid soundstage numbers that people would have superstitions about. You will not find a stage 13 on the property. That's bad luck, bad news. Maybe no one would want to film inside of a stage 13. But right now we're on our way to a jungle island. To tell us about this, here's Academy Award-winning director, Peter Jackson.
It's the original King Kong that maybe the
Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna be able to walk through here, but I mean it'd be cool for Mega Movie Summer.
All right. Stay in your seats.
That'd be super cool.
We're going to protect ourselves. We're going to hide behind these flammable gasoline tanks. Everyone knows gas. It's a great thing to hide behind when it's dangerous.
Yeah, you know what? They should have us walk back there and they should have like kind of like fan fest, recreate the scenes. That'd be cool.
Yellow buoy? Oh no. Who could have suspected this? Did anyone back there keep their eye on the shark? I think I might see him on the other side. We're gonna get out of Norman, please. Not the knife.
We're in the last
Norman.
car and he's gonna get
Please.
me.
Don't take the fourth car. Not like
I just
last time.
realized
Don't do it again.
And now. Oh!
There's a flash flood and all those trams are riding around. It's the coolest thing ever. 1979. Back then, the tram drivers were reckless and crazy.
There's Scarecrow. The line for what? Mummy? Yeah, I know. Summer crowds are here. Summer crowds. But here we have another Halloween Horror Nights update. They're still saying that's Jason.
Woo!
I mean, that's kind of good. We haven't seen Jason at the parks in a long time. But we'll see. I guess we'll see you in time. It's too early to say. Dang. Up close and personal. It's crazy. Now we just need to see Toretto's car. That'd be cool. I gotta stand over here. Hold on. Hold on. Dang. They're adding some paint, some texture. I thought these were gonna be windows, but I guess no.
They're playing jazz. You like jazz?
You like jazz?
You like jazz?
What do you think it's gonna be? You think it's gonna be Monsters 3 again?
I hope so. I really been liking all the monstros, I definitely gotta bring my dad. He's scared of La Llorona.
I don't think they're gonna do. It's gonna be the dolls, but still. Yeah. And who knows what's gonna be here, but here it comes in. Alright guys, so me and Annelle are making a cringe TikTok right now. So if you want, I'll put the link in the description of what TikTok we're making, but it's kind of cringe, so sorry, we're just warning you, but we know it's cringe, but we're just doing it anyway because they announced Five Nights at Freddy's was coming, and we don't know if it's gonna be a house or what, but we're just doing it because it reminds us of this kid who did this meme, and we're just pretty much recreating the meme. The Burger King meme, but we'll put the link in the description if you want to watch the cringe video that we're making. Anyways, yo, they left. Okay, I'm not really like looking in, but they have some wood here. I don't know. Yep, looks like they're getting ready for either some kind of construction or they're taking down the Star Trek thing that was here. They should have left that little tent thing that was there. That was pretty cool. I mean, at least to keep the light out. But it's dark anyway during Horror Nights. I don't know. They do? Where? Oh, yeah. Cool. Yeah, we'll go over there. Come on. They have these in the...
Towels.
Yeah. Wow. I really like the... Yeah. Let me see. Let me try this on.
Alright guys, we got our first look at merch for Horror Nights, Fallout. I wonder when they're bringing the Five Nights at Freddy. Well, for right now we have Fallout. I don't know much about Fallout, but...
I don't know if they will, actually.
What is this? This is like a little acrylic
25?
sticker. This is nice. This is just in general, you like Horror Nights. This would look nice as a decoration.
Sticker? How much is a sticker?
That one's...
$8.
And they also have a coffee cup. Here we have it. Fallout again for $27. If you like your coffee, if you like Horror Nights and you like Fallout, this
I think it's cool that they made a cup.
Yeah, I like cups.
Well, that's our first Horror Nights one. Oh, here we go. Alrighty guys, well that concludes our day at Universal Studios for a quick update.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, stay spooky.
Aqui.